Hey there, welcome to the How-FixIT channel. Today is an exciting day because I've got my hands on the iPhone 15, and I'm going to tear it down and explore what's behind the surface of this new Apple device. This guide can be useful for replacing any parts, but for more comprehensive repair tutorials, you can find them in the video description below. Additionally, I've included teardown links for all iPhone 15 models for your convenience. But before we get into the teardown, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, suction cup, screen disassembly tool, tweezers. I have included links to all the tools and spare parts in the video description below. So, let's get started. Use a hairdryer to heat the back glass surface for 2 minutes. Fix the suction cup and pull it up. Insert the blade edge into the thin gap between the back glass and the chassis. Here we are inside the iPhone. Let's take a closer look at what's under the hood. The design of the new iPhone has become more repair-friendly, thanks to a replaceable rear glass cover. Now, anyone with a minimal toolset can replace the back cover. The heart of the iPhone, the battery and logic board. Let's remove the battery first. The battery is glued with adhesive strips to the rear case. Use tweezers to grab an adhesive strip and slowly pull it from underneath the battery. And here's the battery. Apple has managed to cram a high-capacity battery into this slim form factor, ensuring you stay connected all day long, even more. Here is the iPhone 15 camera module with a 48-megapixel main camera and ultra-wide camera. Here is the vibration motor. Here is the loudspeaker. Here is the Face ID module. The Face ID module comprises of an infrared camera, a front camera, and a dot projector. Here is the earpiece speaker. Use a hairdryer to heat the bottom edge of the iPhone for approximately 1 minute. Fix the suction cup to the screen's bottom edge and pull it up. Insert the blade into the thin gap between the screen and the chassis. The iPhone 15 logic board is powered by an A16 Bionic chip with a 5-core GPU. That concludes today's teardown guide. I'll provide a detailed process for reassembling the iPhone in a separate video, and you can find the link to it in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And, of course, subscribe for more high-tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. You've been on How-FixIT, and we'll see you in the next teardown video.